What's up, guys? Today we are going to react to Jack Doherty crashing his car live on stream while reading the chat. I don't like this guy. I don't know him, but I don't like him. The shit that I've seen about him, to me, everything bad that happens to him is karma. First off, clearly you shouldn't be texting in the rain anyway. Now you're hydroplaning and right into the railing.
Oh, fuck. No, watch out, watch out. Oh, fuck, open the door, open your door.
I don't like the guy, but luckily... nobody died. If I'm not mistaken, from what I've read, is the guy that was recording injured his head.
Holy shit. Where's your phone?
Oh, I just broke that shit.
Me too. Help! Help! Oh shit! Oh! Help!
Holy shit.
Michael! Kill! Oh fuck! Help!
Let's see if I can find like the full video.
I just had a couple of friends send me.
I'm actually hoping that a lot of
Okay, so here's a little bit more.
Oh no, my fucking car, bro.
Vamos, baby. Vamos, sal.
Oh,
Que estás bien.
fuck, dude. My fucking car. Holy shit. No.
That car ugly as shit though. You'll be alright.
Kidding me, bro.
Immediately following the accident, there was a sigh of relief as initial reports confirmed no serious injuries. However, the incident wasn't without physical consequence. His cameraman, who was in the passenger seat, sustained minor injuries, evident by the blood on his face, highlighting the real dangers of distracted driving. What perhaps shocked viewers and commentators alike was Doherty's reaction post-crash. Rather than immediately addressing the safety of those involved or the implications of the accident,
Yeah, like he was more worried about getting
the
views.
documentation of the event.
You gotta get that clout, son. Gotta chase that clout.
Encouraging him to capture
No one
the
gives a fuck you're
aftermath,
bleeding, bro.
focusing
Record
on
this
both
shit,
the
bro.
wrecked McLaren and himself.
Ugly ass fucking car.
Oh, Michael. Are you okay?
I hope old buddy's alright, man. He got fucked up. Jesus.
Oh my god, bro. My whole... Bro, my...
Alright, anyways, that's enough. But yeah, luckily, other than his, the guy recording got, pretty fucked up in the face. I hope he recovers. But like I said, everything that happens to Jack is karma. Sweet, sweet karma. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.